Hi there, I'm Jack Canfield, and today I want to tell you how you can transform your entire life in just 10 short days at zero cost to you. You know, a lot of people think that it takes months or even years to create significant changes in a person's life, but true life transformation can happen in an instant. I've seen it happen thousands of times over the years when people in my workshops or seminars experience an aha moment or an epiphany that allows them to suddenly and radically boost their income, find true love, get clear on their life's purpose, and become the person they were meant to be. To give you an example of what I mean, today I'd like to share a letter I recently received from Chris. He's a guy who started out just like you. He had achieved a certain amount of success in life, but he wanted more. And he wanted to create a life that was better for himself and his loved ones. So a few years ago, he signed up for my free 10-day transformation course. And here's what he wrote in a letter to me. He said, "Hi, my name is Chris. And by the age of 45, I was the first person in my family to graduate from college. I had parlayed my math degree into a career in actuarial science. I had launched 2 successful insurance companies for Toyota and earned my MBA from a top 10 business school, UCLA. I had written 12 books, given hundreds of presentations around the world, and was earning about $500,000 a year. But no matter how much I accomplished, I felt empty. I was depressed, unhappy, and unmotivated. I had been searching for answers on how to improve my life for 2 decades. I had spent a small fortune on therapists and psychiatrists, and I had worked with hundreds of people in multiple support groups. I'd read dozens of self-help books. I'd been part of mastermind groups and study groups and executive coaching programs. I took countless personality tests to try to categorize myself, and I firmly believe that I needed to know who I was and why I was that way so that I could figure out how to fix what was wrong. I was looking everywhere for answers, but no matter how hard I looked, I never found them. And then one day, I responded to an online advertisement for Jack Canfield's free 10-day transformation. I told myself, perhaps this would be attempt number 1,549 to find myself, or maybe this will be the Holy Grail, finally. I was so interested in the success of the program that I turned it into a 26-step program. Now, how did I do that? I stopped and restarted it 8 times before I actually finished it. I made all kinds of excuses about the program, about the materials, and about my family and clients making too many demands on my time. I'm not sure I would have finished the program if I hadn't torn my Achilles tendon in April. I suffered very painful neuropathy after the surgery. I was in bed, I was in pain, and I was not sleeping for 6 months. Now, as you can imagine, sleep deprivation and chronic pain are hardly the antidote for depression. Now, one day, I was in bed working through the early stages of the 10-day transformation for the 7th time, and Jack's message that you have to take responsibility for everything in your life finally stuck with me. I was in so much physical pain that I decided it was time to stop making excuses and to start working toward a solution. I thought I was making a decision to stand up to the physical pain that was keeping me from living my life, but it was so much more than that. Fighting through physical therapy so that I could gain my mobility was symbolic of what was about to happen to me on a much deeper level. I was about to stand up and fight through the emotional and psychological pain that had been holding me back from enjoying life on all levels. And as I continued through the exercises, I was able to identify the things that I wanted. I learned to visualize having those things, and I saw the power of sharing and vocalizing those goals. I took time for myself with meditation, and I started sleeping normal hours. I was able to manage some very difficult challenges at work and to finish the year with 2 businesses that were both highly successful. And despite missing almost half of the year, I was still able to meet 4 of my 5 goals. Now, these are the goals that you set in the program or that you already had when you started it. And because of that success and experience with the 10-day transformation, I decided to sign up for a year of coaching with Jack Canfield. And I knew Jack's teachings worked. And I wanted to use them to become more focused, more ambitious, and more vulnerable. I worked on my family life and I improved my relationships with my children, my wife, and my ex-wife, which is important when you co-parent a child. I made the decision to sell a business that was not fun for me to run. And I set another goal of securing my first billionaire client. And by the end of the following year, I had sold my company for millions of dollars and had worked with 2 billionaire families in Texas. Where my best year of income had previously been $700,000, I tripled that number in 1 year and had millions more in deferred income from other deals. The following year was even better. I contributed to the bestseller Mastering the Art of Success with Jack Canfield. I also wrote my 15th book, 6 Secrets to Leveraging Success, a guide for entrepreneurs, family offices, and their trusted advisors. And I'm working with 4 charitable organizations and 3 universities. I sit on the board of multiple companies. My new firm is solving complicated financial problems for the nation's largest law firms, healthcare organizations, family offices, and private equity firms. But most importantly, I am very happy with my mission of improving the lives of 1 million children while being a role model for my own 3 kids. My life is more joyful and fulfilling than I ever imagined, and it all started with Jack's free 10-day transformation. Now, I hope you feel inspired by Chris's story. Once he had his epiphany about taking 100% responsibility in his life, everything just clicked. Now, you too can experience this kind of aha moment that leads to true transformation. But just like Chris, you need to take action. You can't just sit there and wish for your life to change. You have to take the necessary steps to make it happen. So if you're ready to do that, and you're willing to stop blaming others and turn your excuses into action, I invite you to sign up for my free 10-day transformation course. Now, this is the same one that Chris used to turn his life around and start experiencing more joy, greater purpose and meaning, and more abundance every day of his life. So if you truly want to change your life, the 10-day transformation is a great way to launch yourself into action, and it's completely free. Now, here's your homework to complete after watching this video. Take a moment to sign up for my free 10-day transformation, and then commit to spending 30 minutes to an hour every day for the next 10 days, learning the proven success principles and applying them in your life that will change your life for the better. All you have to do is click the link below to learn more. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'd love to read them. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, nothing in your life will change for the better until you do. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you like it, share it with a friend who may need it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And for some additional resources on how to transform your life, visit my website at JackCanfield.com. Thanks again for watching.